안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Korean soy sauce noodles, 간장국수. Sometimes we want to make food with just simple ingredients and sauces. I know it's more delicious when I use various ingredients with fancy skills, but in this case of soy sauce noodles, simple is the best. If you taste it, you are gonna feel satisfaction from the simple but addictive flavor. Soy sauce noodles have various versions of the recipe. My recipe is not only easy, but also is a well-balanced meal including protein and fiber. If you want simpler recipe except some ingredients, it's okay. Just keep the sauce. Okay, then let's set the table. First, cut the cucumber in half lengthwise and then slice diagonally into thin pieces. In a bowl, put cucumber and sprinkle with 1 teaspoon of salt and let it sit for 10 minutes. After that, squeeze it to remove excess water. Then, cut mushroom into thin slices. Remove the beef's blood using paper towel. In a bowl, put ground beef and sliced mushroom. And put soy sauce, sugar, minced garlic, sesame oil, and ground black pepper. Mix well gently. Heat the oil in a pan and stir fry until the meat is cooked. And then let's make a sauce. In a large bowl, put soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and toasted sesame seeds. Mix well. After that, boil the water in a pot and put noodles into boiling water. Stir them to keep the noodles from sticking together. When it boils over, then pour a half cup of cold water. Repeat it 3 to 4 times. It's gonna take about 4 minutes. Wash the noodles in cold running water many times to remove starch. Place the noodles in a strainer. And then combine all ingredients in a bowl and mix well. Move them to a serving bowl and put egg yolk on the top. Smells so good. Before you eat, let's beat the yolk. This is so delicious. Beef and mushroom give deep flavor and cucumber is very crunch. All ingredients are very well seasoned and balanced. So good. This soy sauce seasoning is just amazing. Very simple but addictive. I can eat one more bowl. Today I made 간장국수. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.